Yeah,
Yeah, where did you go?
stay at home.
You stay at home. Okay, that's fine too. Since COVID, Omicron, right? It's a new variant of COVID, Omicron. The scientists said that it might wipe away those Delta, but now they say that it might be worse. So it's better to stay at home. Okay. Who still remember too much, too many, and not enough? Do you still remember that?
Yes.
Let me share the screen first. Okay, too much using with uncountable noun, right? And too many using with plural countable nouns. So we have been doing this, right? When it's countable nouns, we're using too many. When it's uncountable nouns, we're using too much. And when it's negative form, we use enough. Remember? This one, right? He eats too many sweets. Still remember that? He's got too much sugar. He's got enough apples. He's got enough flour. So nouns always put it right behind enough for nouns, okay? But if it's adjective, you have to put it before enough. Like for example, this one. This one, look at number two. It says, my town. Let me find these words. Look at number two, okay? It says, my town isn't to have a cinema. Big, now you know, right? Big is an adjective. And it is negative.
Big.
So my town isn't big enough. Understand? However, take a look at number five. Number five here. This one is also negative form using enough as well. But you know nightclubs, right? Nightclubs is a place where people meet at night to party, to drinks. So this one is noun. So it can go both way. You can say they aren't what? They aren't enough nightclub. In our city. There aren't enough nightclubs in our city. Or you can say they aren't too many nightclubs. Also the correct form, okay? The things that you try to express, like you do have nightclubs, but it's not enough or it's not too many. But most of the time we express enough with the negative form. See? This one. Form, he hasn't got enough biscuits. He doesn't drink enough milk. Okay. And for questions, instead of too much and too many, we're using how many and how much. Remember that? And we have done this, right? About Ollie and Meg trying to do pizza. And we also did the sentences, right? Now let's do this one. Take out your activity book and turn to page 52. page 52, activity 4. Activity 4. They said, look at the list and write the questions. So these are the shopping lists for the party, right? And they listed down all the things that they need for, in order to party, people comes over. So look at number 1. The answer is already here, right? On every items, it says 3 liters. So we come here, take a look, 3 liters. So that's ice cream, right? So you ask, how much ice cream do they need? Because ice cream is what? Is uncountable nouns. That's why you using how much. Okay. And take a look over here. Bread rolls. I used to tell you that bread is uncountable nouns, right? But when it comes to the bread rolls, you can count it. 1 roll, 2 rolls, and so on. So please make sure you use the questions right about how much and how many. So please do it now.
Ini teacher.
Right, are you finished, right? Okay, number 2, it says the questions, no, the answer is 20. So it's all about bread rolls, right? What do you have for questions?
How many bedroll do they need?
How many bread rolls do they need, right? What about number 3? 1 kilo.
How much cheese do they need?
Good, because cheese is uncountable nouns, okay? Please check your answer and always don't forget your question mark in the question form of word. Okay. Number 4, 50.
How many chocolate biscuits do they need?
Yes, how many chocolate biscuits do they need? Okay, so biscuits, we focusing on biscuits, not chocolate, because it's the biscuits that have chocolate flavor. Okay, so that's why we can count. Number 5, 5 liters.
How much orange juice do they need?
Good, how much orange juice do they need? 5 liters. Okay, that's a lot. And number 6, 4 pizzas.
How many pizzas do they need?
Very good. How many pizzas do they need? Okay, so they only need 4. Only 4? You say the word only? Okay, do you have any questions?
No. No.
All correct. Please check your answer if you've done it correctly with how many and how much. And don't forget question mark. Okay,
Okay.
right. Right on next page on the activity 6. We're gonna skip activity 5. Okay, we're gonna skip activity 5 and we're gonna move on to activity 6. Okay, write about the children. Look at the words in the box. You can choose the words from the box to see, each of their behavior. Like for example, number 1, she eats 1 piece of fruit every week. 1 piece. 1 piece every week. So that's not enough, right? It's definitely not enough. So she doesn't eat enough. Okay. Now let's do number 2, 3, and 4 by yourself. Okay, how about the rest of the class? Are you finished too? I'll give you 3 or 4 more minutes, okay? Okay. Are you finished? Right. Number 2. He eats 30 biscuits every day. He eats 30 biscuits every day.
He eats too many biscuits.
Good. He eats too many biscuits. Okay. Nobody would eat 30 biscuits every day. You get sick of it and you get sick for real. Number 3. She drinks 5 liters of lemonade every day. 5 liters.
She drinks too much lemonade.
Yes, she drinks too much lemonade. Last one, number 4. He drinks 1 glass of water every day.
He also drink enough a glass of water.
Very good. He doesn't drink enough water. Okay, he doesn't drink enough water. We normally would drink glasses, like 8 glasses of water, right? At least. So this guy, just 1 glass of water.
I don't know how to
It's really bad for your system because our like 70% of our body was, you know, made of water. Yeah. Okay, so do you have any questions regarding on this side?
I think not have.
No? Okay. This class goes very fast and I like to finish it here because if I keep going, the other class won't be able to catch up with you. Okay, so I'd like to finish it here. And if you don't have any questions, I will see you tomorrow. Okay,
Goodbye, teachers. See you again tomorrow,
okay. See you tomorrow.
everyone.
Okay. All right, bye guys. Bye.
Bye teacher. Bye bye. Bye bye teacher.